Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and thank you so much for coming back for another motivational cleaning video. I'm kicking off my New Year cleaning, and I'm also featuring the Dreame H14 Pro Wet Dry Vacuum. The first thing I'm going to do is take care of the baseboards. I like starting with the baseboards in the kitchen. I already pretty much did the baseboards all around the house just like a few weeks ago, but I'm going to touch those areas again. I'm just putting the rest of my other solution into this bottle. I ended up having to make a completely new one because I ran out. So I've had a crazy last couple of weeks, but my Christmas decor is up. As you can see, I'll have that video up soon for you guys. Underneath the countertop is so gross, where the kids sit and their friends sit when they're eating. I thought I didn't have any Mr. Clean magic erasers when I filmed this, but I ended up finding one after and I cleaned all that off. Now I'm going to clean all of my cabinets out before the new year, but this cabinet in particular is so out of control. I cook all of our meals, and since it's getting colder and it's the holiday season, I've been baking almost every day. So it's about time I sort all this out and wipe everything off. So this year I did Thanksgiving dinner for the first time, and I'm going to be doing Christmas dinner also. I'm not sure what to make. My kids and I don't really like traditional Christmas food. Like, we don't eat ham. What else is traditional Christmas food? I don't know. You guys, leave it in the comments. Let's see if there's anything on there that I can get the kids to eat. I'm really just focusing on the things that I know we all like to eat and special treats. There were two drawers in the kitchen that had crumbs in them, and of course it's the kids drawer and the utensil drawer. I don't know how this happens. There always ends up being like pieces of noodles or rice or like green onion in the drawers, so I'm just cleaning these out really quick. I'm also going to be thoroughly wiping down all of the doors and the door frames. This is something that we miss, even me. we're not paying attention to our doors and the marks that are on them, but once you start cleaning them, you'll realize how dirty they are. I'm going to tidy up the living room really quick, and then I'm going to clean all the floors.
I know you have questions, I don't have answers, clearly no manners, baby, I know you want it better.
I'm removing the front console from the vacuum. This is for clean water and also the solution. I'm using the Dreame solution that it came with still. It smells really good and gets the floors so clean. I'm just going to add in some of that and then also add some water.
Even if I try and try too hard, nothing's ever enough. Even if I try and try too hard, tell me what to do.
Like I said, this is a wet dry vacuum, so it's going to vacuum and mop at the same time. I've had this for months now, since we moved in, and I use it all the time. I love it, especially in my morning cleaning routine. It does a great job. All it takes is one pass and it's vacuumed and mopped in just one swipe. I have a video on my Instagram where I did cereal and milk and it was all gone. I didn't have any milk at this time, so I couldn't do that demonstration, but it's on my Instagram. That's some soy sauce. It's just so easy and convenient to use. It makes cleaning so much faster also because I don't have to grab my vacuum and then get my mop. So I love this for quick cleaning. This is a lie flat feature. I love this feature. It's great for getting underneath like coffee tables, bar stools, entertainment centers.
Nothing's ever enough, even if I try and try too hard. Tell me what to do, say anything, yeah. Dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive with me, yeah. I know we could fly if we just try.
And this is the edge to edge cleaning. It gets right up to the edge, even in the little corners, and it sucks. Actually, there's suction on the side of the vacuum, so it just pulls everything straight into it.
Try so hard, nothing's ever enough. Even if I try so hard, tell me what you do now. Dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive with me, yeah. I know we could fly if we just try. So come on, baby, dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive with me, yeah. I know we could fly if we just try. love to have more crying. Gonna be sweeter. Telling me.
This is underneath my entryway console. It gets pretty dusty under here. The kids are always coming in and out. There's always like dirt and grass. So I like to clean under here at least once a week. If you guys are interested in the Dreame H14 Pro wet dry vacuum, I'll have all the links in my description for you.
Cause I need ya, and it's hard, baby, yeah, cause I believe ya. Hold me tight, holding on tonight. Holding a couple, no get to you clean and proper. Way I move, ain't no weekend lover. You gon' have me on your mind forever, ever. Thanks, baby, turn it down like a sweet and ready.
After you get done using the device, it's self-cleaning, which is another great feature for this vacuum. It cleans itself, it dries itself, and it keeps those odors at bay. That is it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed this series of quick little videos that I'm putting together in order to prep you guys for the new year too. If you did like it, give it a thumbs up and I'll make more like this. As always, thank you so much for watching and I'll talk to you all in my next video.